How to add debit card in Metamask. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a debit card. First of all, open the application. Now, in order to add debit card, first you must directly sell or buy the cryptos. Here on the middle, you can see this exchange icon. Tap on this exchange icon. Now you can tap any one of them: buy, sell, swap. So here I'm tapping on buy. Now it will take some time, so let's wait for some time. Here it will load the details and the amount. So here on the bottom you can see this debit card button. Tap on it. Here you can select the debit card or the cards that you have. So tap on debit or credit card, and now you're done. So this is how we add debit card in this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you.